Let's make a Captain and Cola. To make this drink, we're going to start by filling our glass with ice. And the official glass is a highball or a Collins. I have a Collins, so I'm going to fill that with ice. Next, I'm going to add my rum. 1.5 ounces of the Captain Morgan Original Spiced Rum. Half an ounce is 45 milliliters. Then 3 ounces of the cola of your choice. I like Mexican Coke, so that's what I'm going to be using. 3 ounces is 90 milliliters. And I am going to measure it just for the sake of argument. I'm going to pour slowly so I don't fizz it all off. And as you can see, it probably doesn't fill up the whole glass, so this is why a lot of people don't bother measuring it out. But if you really wanted to make this fill the glass, you could go with parts. It's 1 part rum to 2 parts cola. There you go. Now we've got our lime. I'm going to squeeze that into the glass, and then I'm going to drop it. Add a straw, and there you have your Captain Cola. Drink with good spirits.